Welcome to a maintenance-free lifestyle at the Cedars Retirement Community. Looking at an overview of this home, this one-bedroom and one full bathroom condo offers a functional open layout, floor to room, a bonus or flex room, and a one-car garage with storage. Updates are found throughout the home, making it move-in ready for you. Enjoy the easy, clean, functional, but stylish luxury vinyl plank flooring. The kitchen boasts beautifully stained Grabill cabinetry, a large composite sink with brushed nickel Moen faucet, and newer countertops. The spacious bathroom offers an accessible walk-in shower complete with support bars and a glass door, updated vanity, and hardware. The primary bedroom is right across the hall and features a large manageable closet with rod and shelves. Enjoy taking the first sips of your morning coffee while relaxing in the Florida room. The exterior doors and vinyl windows are newer and allow natural light to beam through the main living space. The extended one-car garage offers room for parking and storage. Need more storage space? There is an additional flex room that allows for that. Want to learn more about the life at the Cedars? Call Dana Botterin to find your way home today.